So you can see tall things can stand on its own and they are big towards the sky. Now long things cannot stand on its own and they are big along the sides. Okay, good morning children, bonjour, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So ma'am is missing you so much. I know you people are also missing me, right? So have you remember in your last class, ma'am told you to eat healthy food because healthy food makes you powerful. And I hope today everybody is full of power. Yes, I am. And what is the beginning sound of power? Can you tell me the beginning sound of power? We have done phonetics also. Yes, it's P. So the beginning sound of power is P. Very good. So आज का जो main topic है that is difference between tall and short and long and short. Okay. So like them, what is this children? Can you tell me what is this? It's a water bottle. It's a water bottle and I keep water in it. Sometimes juice also. Okay children, now see I have one more. Now tell me how many water bottles I have? Yes, I have 2 water bottles, 1 and 2. What is the difference between these 2 water bottles? Are they same? No, they are not same. There is a difference of height between them. Okay, so this one is tall and this is short. Okay children, so the things which are big towards the sky, they are called tall and they can stand on its own. See, I am not giving any support to this water bottle, right? It is standing on its own. So the things which are big towards the sky, they are called tall. Okay, and if I compare this one with this tall water bottle, this is small towards the sky as compared to this. So this is tall and this is short. Okay, I hope it's clear. And both water bottles, they are able to stand on its own. So this is the main difference between tall and long, that tall things can stand on its own and they are big towards the sky, like a building or a tree or a person. They can stand on its own and they are big towards the sky. And I'll show you one more example. Now what is this children? What is this? These are containers. These are containers and they are made up of plastic. Okay, and mama keeps cookies or namkeens or pulses in them. Okay, so now here you can see, I'll show you like this. This is standing on its own. I'm not giving any support. See, it can stand on its own. Okay, and if we compare these two, I'll keep it like this. If I compare these two containers, see, this is big towards the sky, and as compared to this, this is small towards the sky. So this is tall and this is short. So the main thing, that tall things can always stand on its own and they are big towards the sky. Okay, now I'll tell you the long thing. See, this is a scale. Okay, it's a scale. Now if I make it standing, oh, see, it can't stand on its own. Okay, I have to give support to this scale, otherwise it cannot stand. And it has big, it is big along the sides. The scale is big along the sides. Okay, it is not big towards the sky, it is big along the sides. So this is, if I compare with this small scale, so this is long, it is not tall, it is long. Okay, and if we'll compare this yellow scale with the lower one, this is short. Why this is short? Because it is small along the sides. So children, I hope it is clear to you that long things cannot stand on its own and they are big along the sides. Okay, now I have two pencils. See, I have how many pencils? I have two pencils, blue and purple. Now, can you make it stand? Can you make these pencils stand? I'll try. Oh, no, they are not standing. Excuse me. They are not standing. Okay. So, because why they are not standing? Because they are big along the sides. They are not big towards the sky. They are big along the sides. So this pencil, purple pencil, is long and this is short. So I hope children now you have got the difference between long and tall and you will not get confused. Okay. So you can see tall things can stand on its own and they are big towards the sky. Now long things cannot stand on its own and they are big along the sides. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this topic. Thank you so much. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए, कमेंट्स में मेंशन ज़रूर करें. Thank you so much.